Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 13T and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. It is crucial. In order to be able to download something, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, up to you. Then we have to tap on the Play Store, and if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, and then that's okay, you will be able to follow all of my steps. If not, you have to either log in or sign in right now, so create new account, because you will not, otherwise you will not be able to use the Google Play Store options and download anything. So after signing in, logging in, simply tap on the circle, which is your account. Then manage apps and device, and tap on manage. And here we've got the list of all currently installed apps. And all we have to do is to tap on updates available, and here we can check which we can update. So all you have to do is to mark the apps. Of course, if you want, you can mark all of them. If not, just pick 1 or 2 or 3, whatever, up to you. And then tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, our device will download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully and automatically installed on the device. So right now you do not really need to do anything more, just wait. Of course, you can turn off the Google Play Store and do whatever you want. The installation will be run in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.